Tesla robot is quickly becoming one of the most exciting developments in robotics. Designed to perform useful tasks that could change the way people work and live, Tesla's humanoid robot combines artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, computer vision, and human-like movement. But what can this futuristic robot actually do, and how close is it to becoming part of everyday life? What makes the Tesla robot especially fascinating is its potential to handle repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding tasks. From working in factories to carrying objects and assisting with routine activities, the robot is being developed with the goal of operating in environments designed for humans. Its AI-powered capabilities could allow it to recognize objects, understand its surroundings, and learn how to perform different tasks, making it far more than a traditional industrial machine. Could the Tesla robot become the humanoid machine that finally brings advanced robotics into our homes and workplaces? With Tesla pushing artificial intelligence and robotics at the same time, the possibilities are huge. Watch closely to discover what Tesla's robot can do, how intelligent it could become, and why this technology may completely change the future of robotics.